Hello my dear students, how are you all? I know that you all are fine. Today we will learn the concept called circle. So let's start. Circle. Circle is a simple closed figure which is not a polygon. Okay, this is a circle which is not a polygon but it is a simple closed figure. Okay, now we will learn the parts of a circle. The point O is called the center of a circle. So this point which is in the center of the circle is called as center of the circle. The region inside the circle is called interior of the circle, and the region outside the circle is called exterior of the circle. Okay. Next is, here I gave 4 points A, B, C, D, which are all on the circle, and the line segment AO, BO, CO and DO are called as radius of the circle, and all are equal. I'll give you the definition of the radius. That is, the radius is a line segment that connects the center to a point on a circle. See here, this line segment is connecting from the center of the circle to the point on the circle. So this line segment is called as radius of the circle. Okay, and the plural of radius is radii. Okay, next, see here, the line segment BD. Here the line segment is the BD, which is passing through the center of the circle. So this line segment is called as diameter of a circle. I'll give you the definition of a diameter. The diameter of a circle is a line segment that passes through the center of the circle. And one more thing, the diameter is double the size of a radius. See here, radius is what which starts from the center of the circle and reaches to the point on the circle is called as radius. Here there are two radius, right? So therefore diameter is the double size of radius. Next comes the line segment BC. Here the line segment which is drawn BC is called a chord of a circle. I'll tell you the definition. The line segment connects, if the line segment is connecting any 2 points on a circle, is called as chord of a circle. The diameter is the biggest chord of a circle. See here, the diameter here which is also connecting 2 points on a circle, therefore it is also a chord which is biggest chord of a circle. Okay, next is, so here this is the circle. Here I have drawn 2 points A and B which make an arc AB. Okay, so we have to write arc AB as like this way. Okay, so the region enclosed by the points AOB, this AOB is called sector of the circle. I'll give you the definition of a sector. The region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on other two sides is called a sector. Okay, next, the region enclosed by the chord BC. See here, this is the chord BC and arc BC. This is arc BC. The region enclosed by the chord BC and arc BC is called segment of the circle. I'll give you the definition of a segment. That is, the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by a chord and an arc is called a segment of the circle. Okay, so here I covered all the important points about circle. So I think you all have understood, and I want you to solve this question. I want you to name these numbers. I told you what thing is called as what. So just give the names for these numbers and comment me in the comment box. If you like my teaching and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel. So bye everyone.